35 Bangor?
I need directions to the closest airport.
Omaha 35, turn left heading of 350 Pittsfield Airport is off your left side. Descend and maintain 2,300.
Stern descent, I've got a partial engine failure, declare an emergency.
Omaha 35, copy that. And if you get a chance, souls on board and fuel on board.
3 hours fuel on board, 2 souls on board.
And the frequency for the lights at Pittsfield is 122.8.
Good copy, thank you.
We're 6 miles from Pittsfield. And you'll be lining up for, right now it'd be runway 1. Runway 36.
Roger, 36.
135, the Pittsfield Airport, 12 o'clock and 4 miles.
5.
Omaha 35, roger. And Omaha 35, do you have the airport actually in sight? Omaha 35, roger. There is a road to the right side of that. The Sebasticook River runs along there. That would be about the only thing with the bridge on the road. Probably about a mile to the east side of the airport. 85 Hotel, turn right heading 090.
Right turn 090, 85 Hotel.
35, a mile and a half from the airport.
We have full power, unable to maintain altitude.
Omaha 35, roger. And we do have emergency crew on the line, having somebody head out that way. Just to the right side of the runway, there's a 2-lane road. I don't think you can get, if you can't make the airport, I don't think you can get to the west side. I don't know how the tree coverage is over that road, though. Should be just below you. 1985 Hotel, turn right heading 120, intercept the localizer, flight inbound.
The visual will get out of your hair so you can concentrate the other guy.
35 Hotel, not a problem. 5 miles from you, Maine, cleared ILS runway 15 approach, maintain 3,000 to establish on the localizer.
3,000 to establish, clear the ILS 85 Hotel.